Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please like, share, subscribe and leave your valuable feedback and comments so that I can go through them and please help my channel grow. So last video I spoke about two hair masks that நான் யூஸ் பண்ணி நான் ரிவ்யூ போட்டிருக்கேன் and all these are products that I have bought with my own money, tried and tested, and these are my honest feedbacks on them. Nothing is a paid promotion here, and please look forward to more such videos. இன்னைக்கு வந்து I've brought 3 cleansing balms or oils. So these are the 3 I have tried, and please see my review now. So the first I have is the Clinique cleansing balm. So இதில் நான் ஏற்கனவே செப்பரேட்டாக வீடியோ போட்டிருக்கேன். So like I said in the video, இது வந்து it's really great. Like if you can spend a quality amount on a cleansing balm, then please go for it. So இதிலேயே there is even a bigger tub, but I know it's very costly, but it's really effective. So இது வந்து நான் வந்து ஸ்லோவாக யூஸ் பண்ணி I used it for a very long time and I loved the product. So I would definitely recommend you purchasing this Clinique. The second one I have for you is from Plum. So இதுவும் it's a very small sized, and இதுவும் நான் அந்த ஸ்மிட்டனில் தான் வந்து just trial பண்ணுறதுக்காக I bought it from there, and this is also really good. I wouldn't compare it with the Clinique, but then உங்களோட like everyday like makeup remove பண்ணுறதுக்கு I would say this is really good. So you can try out a small pack like this first and see உங்களுக்கு எப்படி இருக்குன்ட்டு. You can just check it out, and then there's a bigger tub also. I think the bigger tub also comes like under 500, and அது வந்து ரொம்ப நாள் வரும் தான். It looks like it will come for a long time, so do check this out as well. And the third I have for you is, I know இது வந்து நிறையா பேரோட வேனிட்டியில் எப்பயுமே இருக்கும். This is the Garnier Micellar cleansing water. ஸோ இதுலேயே ஆயில் இருக்குது and this is the water. So இதுதான் everyday மேக்கப்புக்கு I use this, and this is really good. ஸோ எவ்ரிடே நீங்கள் வந்து லைட்டாக ஜஸ்ட் வந்து ஒரு காம்பேக்ட் ஆர் ஜஸ்ட் லிப்ஸ்டிக் மட்டும் போடுற ஆளாக இருந்தீங்கன்னா this is really good in helping take it out. இதுக்கப்புறம் you have to use a face wash. ஸோ இது வந்து இந்த 3 ப்ராடக்ட்ஸில் affordable na, I will ask you, if for everyday makeup go for the Garnier, it's around 250 or 230. If you can go for a pricier one, please go for the Clinique. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and please do follow my account for more such videos. Thank you.